Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the language. Okay, basically, whenever we talk something language, for example, Telugu, sorry, English. In English, what are the alphabets? A to Z. A to Z are the alphabets, like it consists of all the 26 alphabets, A to Z. And if you consider Telugu language, some R to Bandira, everything is from R to Bandira. Okay, similarly in Hindi, from R to some Bandira again, something like there are some alphabets everywhere. From these alphabets, you will form some languages. Sorry, you will form some words. For example, in this English language, we have A to Z. By using this A to Z only, you will form words. For example, apple. Apple is a combination of A to Z. Some picking the alphabets one by one, or some in order. In some order, they made the word apple. Similarly, ball. This is also a combination, right? It's a combination of some alphabets. And do you know that why apple mean the apple which you see? Something, it's okay, take the ball. Okay, same for simple ball. Whenever you see a ball, you will remember the spelling is Ball. Why? We was trained like that. Why? Because at first, for simplicity, I am telling that scientists, whoever discovered the English language, they told that Ball is nothing but a ball which you see, it's round in shape like that. So whenever you will see the round color object, you will remember ball. Similarly, if you see a red color thing which some has some apple, whenever you see some red color object, it's see fruit. Whenever you will see, you will remember the name of the thing is apple. Why? Because they termed the name as apple. Similarly, if they termed that apple name as orange, so whenever you have seen the apple, you will remember that it is orange, it is orange, it is orange. Now why you are remembering apple? Because we are taught that this is apple. Similarly, we are not here to name something, we are using it. Correct? We are using it, we are not defining something. It is apple, it is ball, it is cat, it is some elephant. We are not doing anything, we are using. They told it is apple, we are using it. Similarly, we are learning Python language. In Python language also, they named something. This is something, this is something. We should learn whenever we are learning the language. For example, if you are learning English language, you should know the language. You should know the alphabets. What are the alphabets in English language? So that whenever you are framing the words, sentences, everything, they are formed from the alphabets. Okay. Similarly, coming to the computer. In computer language, in computer language, what is the alphabet for computer language? The alphabet is only two things, only 0 and 1, that's all. A machine, what is meant by machine? Something like fan. In your home, you have a fan, is a machine where it has only two states, on, off. Similarly, some washing machine, power on, power off. Similarly, mobile, switch on, switch off. Machine has only two states, on and off. Similarly, computer also has two states, on and off. One means on, 0 means off. Correct? 1 means on, 0 means off. Okay. Now, how they form the words, how they form the words from, for example, what they did means, this is all for your understanding purpose. Okay, I am telling. For example, we have alphabets A to Z. They took some H, E, L, L, O. Hello they took, and they told it is hello. Remember it? Hello. Hello is it to tell hi, hello, like this. So like this they told. Similarly, for the computer also, by taking some combination 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0, like this, it is meant by hello. They told this thing is hello, that's all. But we don't know how it came hello, how, why 40412 like this hello. So what they did means, it is very tough for the humans, they cannot remember, they cannot remember also. So that what they told means, next they told A means some at the rate symbol, B means some dollar symbol, C means some exclamatory symbol. Like this, they kept some symbols. For example, H they told dot. For E they told tell some symbol, some yarn, something like this they will tell. Na? L they told, for L they told minus, and for O they told plus. Now what is the spelling of hello? So dot, H, E, L, L, O. Similarly, from this stage to we came this stage where we are keeping some symbolic language. You can understand it like a symbolic language where we have given some symbols. In memory, what they will tell means, dot means 110. Again, Y means some 00, and minus means 11. Some 0 0. I am thinking this thing I am telling randomly. There is no something like it does not exist. Okay, I am telling you for your understanding. Now how you will write the hello spelling? H means 110 and E means double O and L means 2 times 1 again 2 times 1 LL again exclamatory means 0 0. Now this is the spelling of hello. For humans understanding we gave symbols. The symbol is converted to these 0 and 1s in computer level. This is for humans to understand very easily. They gave this language, but for computer can understand only 0 1. English language considers A to Z. If you write something using A to Z, then only it is considered as English. If you write something using 0 and 1, then only it is considered as computer language, correct? So but our human being, we cannot understand computer language. It is very tough. 0 1 0 1. What is 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1? How can I remember? So that we made some intermediate language, some conversion we did. From normal 0 1 is known as binary language. Okay, binary language. Don't remember binary, nothing, no need to remember binary language. We converted it to some symbolic language. Some symbols are there, some till some 330 years 40 years back. Okay, somehow the symbols are going on, but after that still it is very tough for human being to remember symbols also. They gave some coding. For example, a gave them some coding like alphabet. They are converting again to 0 1 1 0. Again B also like this some conversion is going on. Like this some C some conversion is going on. Till Z some conversion is going on. 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, everything conversion is going on. This conversion, this is high level language. High level means human understandable language. This is computer language. So but I am telling you, you must be very happy. Why? Because we no need to write code in this language, and this language we no need to write. We must write in this human understandable high level language. For computer knows only two things, 0 and 1. In computer perspective, if you are writing in hello world ABCD, it is very high level, right, for computer. So that whenever you write something in very high level, that languages are known as high level language. So Python is high level language. In before video you have seen, for print hello world, you will write just print hello world. Normally if you have write in binary language, you would have written all this 0 1s, all these things. So scientists made easy. They have created a converter or translator means what? Google Translator, what it will do? It will translate from one language to another language. Similarly, in computer we have two terms. One is compiler, one is interpreter. Don't remember these words also, just one time. Translator, these both are nothing but translator. Okay, translator, what it will do? If you have written in this language, high level language, it will convert to binary language or low level language. Binary or low level na. So that conversion from high level to low level language, what the translator do? It will convert from high level language to low level language. Now where we will write the code? In which language we will write the code? We will write in this high level language. And who will convert to this low level language? This compiler or interpreter, someone will do. In both of this, interpreter will do basically in Python. But both tasks, normally in a programming language, the task of these two things is to convert. They are acts like a translator. They will convert to high level to low level. Okay, I hope I am clear. Compiler or translator, interpreter, what it will do? It will convert from high level to low level. Now we are dealing with high level language only, but for your understanding I should cover entire Python, right? So that I am telling that binary language exists. So humans cannot remember the binary language. So we created a new language known as high level language, which is nothing but a Python, C++. What it will do? Human understandable language to computer language, they will convert your code. Okay, this is the task of compiler or interpreter. Okay, now you are clear that computer knows only two letters, two alphabets, 0 and 1. It doesn't know anything, only these two things it will know. I hope this is clear. And what is a language and what is a compiler and what is interpreter, I covered these things. The difference between compiler and interpreter I will tell you in further videos. Or else just simple. I have given 20 lines of code. 20 lines of code. 20 lines. The code is 20 lines. 20 lines. If all the code at a time, if it converts, then it is known as compiler. Okay. Everything done in single time, it is compiler. If I have 20 lines, compiler will convert the code in one time. If it is interpreter, it will do 20 times, line by line. What is the difference? Compiler will do 20 lines single time. Interpreter will do one line one time. So 1 into 20, 20 times here, the 20 steps it will take. Compiler, single step. This is the only difference. Okay. Now I am going to clear one more thing. So whenever you write some code, so basically you will write some code in the Python program or code. What you will tell, they are the instructions to a computer. You will tell to computer how to do, what to do. These things you will tell, and where you can see them, where you can see the output, what the computer will do. It is known as display. Display means output. Where you will see the output, you will see in display. Okay. These two things I want to cover. See, in this code, whatever the thing you will write, for example, you know what, how to write print hello. Okay, print hello. If you write print hello, what it will do means compiler will come line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, like this. From first line onwards it will come. First line onwards, what it will do? First line, what it is there? Print hello. So in output, what we should get? Hello. Correct. If again I wrote print world, WORLD world, what it will do? So first compiler, first it will come from top to bottom. Top to bottom. First line, what is there? Print hello. It has printed hello. Correct. Next, what it is there? Print world. What it will print? WORLD world. If you write just print 1, what it will print? 1. So this is the display. This is the display of your monitor or your desktop you will get. In computer, remember this, very important, very important. Computer doesn't know anything out of this box. In this box, from line number 1, whatever the thing you will give, it will give as it is in the display. Computer will not think. Okay, will not think. Remember this word, computer will not think. Just it will give. It will convert print hello. It will convert this language to low level, and it understand that I need to print hello. The developer is asking print hello, so that I am printing hello. Now next line, developer is asking world, so it will print world. Again it is asking print 1, so it will print 1. Okay. Wherever you go, compiler will start. Sorry, this Python program will start from top to bottom. First line it will execute, second line, third line. It will not, for example, today I executed this program. Tomorrow again I ran this program. It will not come like hello 1, hello world. The order will not change. Wherever you go, if you go to America, if you go to Israel, or if you go to India, or you go to some other country also, the same output will come. Computer is always consistent. It will not change. Never it will change. It will give the same output only. Okay. Be understand that in computer, whatever the code you give, that only computer knows. It will not know anything other than else. For example, you may know that hello spelling, change it to, for example, if I give here, for example, if I give HLLO, hello. Okay, computer doesn't know anything. It will not think. It will give just blindly. It will give just HLLO. Ayyo, my friend gave HLLO, but the original spelling is HELLO. It will not think anything. It will not think. Just it will give whatever the developer gives. It will give as it is. It will not think. Okay. Remember this. Computer knows whatever the thing you will give in the code. Okay. Remember this word. We'll talk in the next video. We'll start with the next concept, variable, in the next video. I hope you got clear. If you like this video, please give some comment that I understood this video. It is very clear. It is understanding. And if you like it, share it with your friends. And if you like this, tell me something. How to print 5 times hello. Write the code in the program. Okay. In the output, I should get 5 times hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. By using this video, what you understand, write that only in the code. Okay. I hope if you give some comment, I will feel very happy. I will feel very motivated for the next video. And if you got some jokes, like if you felt very happy during this joke or something, please give me a comment that this joke is very good, or I understand this because of the example. Whatever the thing you felt very happy in the video, please give me a small comment. Small comment. It will make me very happy. Okay. Thank you. Bye. We'll meet in the next video.